Hi there everyone, Stephan from firealarm.com here. As you may or may not know, the Underwriters Laboratory announced brand new smoke detector standards and code updates earlier this year. These updates for UL 217, Standard for Smoke Alarms, 8th edition, and UL 268, Standard for Smoke Detectors for Fire Alarm Systems, 7th edition, introduce new criteria for all fire alarm manufacturers to meet in regards to their production of any and all of their smoke detectors. Originally, this deadline was supposed to be this past May, but now these standards have been pushed to be in effect by June 30th, 2021, as of the recording of this video. The NFPA 72 National Fire Alarm Code is set to officially follow and adopt these standards by January 1st, 2022. So what does all this mean for you? Well, it means that previous iterations of your favorite smoke detectors, such as the Siemens FP11, Edwards SIGA PD, or the Notifier FSP851, can no longer be manufactured, as none of these adhere to these new UL standards. Obviously, all of these detectors will still be in circulation for a few more years to come, but as soon as they are all sold out, they will be gone for good. Now that these detectors will officially be obsolete, their prices will reach an all-time high. Lucky for you, all of these soon-to-be legacy detectors are available on firealarm.com to purchase right now. What's great is that most of the big-name manufacturers have taken the initiative to already design and create the future of fire alarm detectors to adhere to these new standards. It seems like most, if not all, of the big names will be announcing their new smoke detector lines within this next year, if they haven't done so already. Today, I wanted to discuss a new series of detectors that Edwards recently announced, the OPTICA series. Directly from their press release, the new signature OPTICA detectors bring advanced optical sensing technology to a practical design that increases efficiency, saves installation time, cuts costs, and extends life safety and property protection capabilities. Not only do these detectors adhere to the new UL standards, but also they are backwards compatible with Edwards' former EST4 panel, as they are also UL cross-listed as such. The OPTICA series comes along with Edwards' new, recently announced EST4 panel, the next generation of EST. You can read more about the OPTICA series and the EST4 panel in the links in the description below. Right now, you can find the following signature OPTICA series detectors on firealarm.com. SIGA OSD Photoelectric Smoke Detector, the SIGA OS HD Combo Photo and Heat Detector, the SIGA OS CD Combo Photo and CO Detector, and the SIGA OSH CD Combo Photo, Heat, and CO Detector. We hope this video was informative, and we hope to hear from you over on firealarm.com. Check out our site for all of the latest on fire alarm parts and services custom tailored for you and your building or facility. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like below and subscribe to our channel for the latest on all things fire alarm, as well as future firealarm.com updates. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more information on our products, fire safety facts, and so much more.